Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add music to Messenger story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first thing would be simple for you to access your Messenger. And if you do, and tap on the stories option in the bottom right, and I will tap on the plus icon. And let's say you have a picture that you added for the story, and if you go ahead and try to find a music icon for you to add, you won't be able to find it. So for that matter, exit from here and now open your Facebook app. Again, tap on this plus icon. Again, choose a picture of yours, and you can see the music option. Go ahead, tap on it and choose a music for you from there. And once you've added the particular music, you're gonna go back and share your story by tapping on the share icon, and the same story with the music will be shared on your Messenger as well. So that is the method for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.